How do you do your bundling? How's that work?
Yeah, sure. So we try to bundle every product that we have. I don't think, unless the category doesn't allow it, we try to bundle everything. And let's say soap, for example. So we might do a 1-pack, 3-pack, 5-pack of soap. Also under that parent-child variation, we might do, it could be different types of scents. It could be the scents with a soap dish. Or what I try to do with all my listings is I try to find like an under $1 added value. That could be, like, for us, it could be a soap glove, or it could be a poof, something like that that we can bundle together that helps protect our listing against hijackers. So when you're doing the bundles, not only do you get the traffic, like each title, all the keywords, everyone has different keywords associated with it. So what we try to do is get the most keywords possible on the product listing. So I don't care if somebody comes in and they have a 5-pack or a 10-pack, they see the 1-pack and they see the product that they want. And bundling by itself, you're probably looking at maybe a 20-25% increase in sales.
Really, just from doing that?
Bundling.
Okay, and you didn't have to change. I mean, how much workload did that add to everything that you're doing?
I have writers that work with me on the research and the titles. It takes a little bit, but it's well worth it in the end. Okay. So once you start doing, you don't have to. What I'm trying to do in my titles is I just take a primary keyword. I try to put a couple of or keyword phrase, a couple of other keywords, and mix it into the title. I don't keep the titles too long. Like they're all under 150 characters, more or even less than that. I work with the Helium 10 product to work on my keywords in the back and get the best possible keywords. Everyone is different. So we're trying to see also how to optimize their listing. So the main listing that we have is I have everything relevant, everything that I need. The 10th parent-child could have some long-tail keywords, or just, we're just grasping at straws to see what we'll get. But that might be an extra sale or two just coming in from these lower-end keywords.
For more information, insider tools, and to get the resources mentioned in this episode, visit ampmpodcast.com.